Hello everyone, this is Waheed from TryTecho. So in this video we will learn how to build a mega menu on our WordPress website. So you can see here is our default header and we want to display a mega menu on this blog post. So to do this we need to install a new plugin. So I go to the plugin and click on this add new, and here I will search for a plugin elements kit. Here is our plugin elements kit. So I click on this install. After installing, I click on this activate button. It will ask to install the Elementor. So install this. It will start to install the Elementor plugin. After installing Elementor, click on this activate plugin. So both of our plugins are installed. Now to make a mega menu, first we need to make a header template. To make a header template, we need to go to the elements kit and click on this header footer, and then go to the header and click on this add new and enter any name for the header template. I am entering header menu and activate it, and then click on this edit content. Here I am selecting a pre-made template for the header. You can also create your own. To save the time, I am selecting this. So our header template is imported, and you can see there is not any menu displayed on this place. So we click on it and then select our menu. Here is our header menu. After that, click on this update button and exit to this. Now go to our website and click refresh. You can see our header template is imported and working properly, but still we don't have any mega menu on this blog post. So we need to make a mega menu under this blog post. So we go to the appearance and click on this menus. After that, enable this. After enabling, go to the menu item which you want to create a mega menu. I want to create a mega menu on this blog post, so I click on this mega menu button. After that, enable it and click on this edit mega menu content. It will open a Elementor panel. You can here design your mega menu. So I am selecting a pre-made template for it. So I go to the category and click on this mega menu, and I am inserting this. So here is our mega menu. You can edit anything and place any link under any headings and these items. After that, click on this update button. After updating, close this and save it. After saving, close this and save the menu. Now go to our website and refresh the page. Now you can see here is our mega menu. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you in the next video. Thank you.